What's up, YouTube? It's the Famous Jet, and welcome to the Famous Jet TV. Alright, so today what we're gonna be doing is how to get waves tutorial for black boys. So, first I'm gonna show y'all all the products I use. So this is one, Can2 shea butter. You can get this from like Walmart or like a hair store around your way or something. Next one is Softy Indian hemp. I use that a lot. That's really like to lay it down, like when you after you put your Durag on. I'm gonna take my Durag off too, just to show y'all and stuff. But I look a little woofy right now. But next one is Murray's oil. This is really good to to lay down your hair. So like when you want to lay it down, put the Durag on, like for nighttime, like I would say use that nighttime. And then some people, and then also these is both Can2. I like Can2. I really like Can2. It's the super shine hair silk, and also this one. The only difference is that this one's like watery and this one's like foamy. I like the foam one though. It worked good, I think. Well, I like it better. And this one, I use this one too. And my little brother, he said this one worked too. He used this one. I used to use this one, Spinning Classic. Some people say it's cheating, whatever, but I don't like it. But I just don't like it. But I would say this one, like if you can't get everything, I would say get this and Softy. Because this will make like your hair shine. Like when you're going outside or like to school, whatever. I would say get those. And then if you got a little bit more money, you could get the Murray's oil maybe. Or you could get the other Can2, or like I said, this one. But I wouldn't actually like recommend you get this one, just because like I don't like it and I don't think it work good on like black boy hair. So I just wouldn't recommend you get it. Yeah, I just wouldn't. So yeah, this is the way to go. So right now I'm gonna teach, and also I'm gonna teach y'all if y'all don't know how to tie your durags, because at first I didn't know how to. Like I knew how, like you just gotta tie in the back and stuff, but I was doing it a different way than I am now. But it's really simple though. It's not like nothing too crazy. This is how mine look right now. Yeah, it look a little bad. Anyway, hold up. Turning my eye. Alright. Yeah, this how it look. So this is good. I usually put this on. But the only thing about Can2, like this one or this one, is that you can't have it so let's say you put it on in the morning. I would advise you not to put it on the rest of the day. Because if you keep putting it on, I tried it, and it'll like when you brush your hair, you get like dandruff. I'm gonna show y'all my brush, but I left it downstairs. I'm gonna show y'all my brush in like the next video about this. If y'all want to see the next video, I'll put it in the comment. But I'm gonna show you my brush in the next video. But yeah, because when you brush your hair and you put like a lot of this on, then it's gonna start to get dandruff, and it's gonna get like your hair gonna get hard, and then you gotta wash it all out, and then so like I would advise this, like the foam one or this one. But this one is a little like different. But the foam one for sure, you can't put that in a lot. Like for sure, I would say like, and then like not even that much. Let me show y'all. Like, so this is the foam one. Like when you squeeze it, you go like that. I would say only 1 or 2. That's it. This much. That's all I would say. And then like then when you put it on, you rub it, and then all. I would like some people do it like this, where you put it like 1, 2, and then 3, like 3 little ones instead of like the 2 big ones. You could do that too. But in all the stuff I'm telling y'all, just because like I don't know, it might not work like 100% for all of y'all, cause like But I made this video like for black boys so y'all could get it and know, cause like. Not like on none of that. I'm just saying because if you have a different hair texture, then something might not work, or it might work differently. So that's why I just recommend it for black boys, how to get waves tutorial. And like what I'm saying is like to get waves, you don't have to have your durags on 24/7. I just like to put mine on a lot. Like if anybody will tell you, I have mine on a lot only because I like to lay my hair down a lot. But you don't have to though. You really only have to do it at night, or like I would say at night. Hold up. I would say at night or anytime like you go to sleep. Cause like sometimes if you take a nap, like I used to take naps at the school. When I wake up, it used to be bad. So like if you take a nap at the school, or whatever, like I advise you to put it on before you go to sleep. You know. So yeah, like that. Oh yeah, I forgot. So basically, you just get it like this, and you would do it like make sure the line up in the middle, like in the middle of your eyebrow, and then you just do this. And you put it like I would say you don't like just tie it. I would say just put it like this because I like it to be smooth in my head, and I like the big lines and stuff like that. So then you do this, tie it in the back and stuff. Tie it real quick. Put this down. All that, and then I would say you should put two on. I don't know, actually no. Like if you like, some people can't take because you gonna feel like pressure a little bit, but I'm used to it now. But you gonna feel pressure. But like I tried, cause like one time I tried to put like 3, 4 on, and it was not it. Like it was hurt. It was making me have a headache. Like don't do that. It's gonna cut off like your circulation and stuff. Like don't do that. So I would advise just 2 at the most, not 3 or 4 or whatever. So then you put the second one on, and then you like pull it down. Make sure it's lined up. I would advise you to get a silk one like this, like silk. Not like the little, like, not like papery, but like the little stuff they be putting in their hair store sometimes. Like not that stuff. Like get like the softest one you can. Like the velvet ones is good. I haven't found me a good velvet one yet though, but I'm gonna get one. Like the velvet ones is good. Like the silk ones is good. Not like the little stuff, cause like, I don't think that really lay your hair down that much. I think it's just like more like a cap. And then and then sometimes you could put like a cap on and then put your durag on. That helped too. I did that before. But I don't really like how the cap feel. Like only because I got glasses and like it don't do if you got glasses. So just yeah. And then also what I would recommend if y'all trying to get waves, like to grease your hair like with this or any kind of grease you got a lot. Not like a whole lot, but like grease it a lot because you want it to stay moisturized. So when you brush it, it like brush into the wave. You don't want it to be like all stiff, and then when you brush it, it's not really brushing. You want it to be like moist, so you can not like moist, but like moist a little bit, so you can like it can be able to brush and get every smooth it out, and then put the durag on. And then I would say like. So let's say you at home like Saturday, Sunday, and you stay home, you just stay home chilling. I would say you take the durag off like at least 10 times during the day, and take it off, brush your hair, put the grease on, let your hair breathe for a little bit for about 10 minutes, and then put it back on and stuff like that. And then when you go outside, take it off, put some grease on, brush it, then put a little bit more grease on. Don't like put so much grease, because that can give you dandruff and make your hair stiff too. So like don't put that much grease. And then when you get in the shower, I would say you get in the shower, right? You can wash your hair, but I would prefer you get one of these brushes right here, and you brush your hair while you're in the shower, because it's a hard brush. Like the brush I got is hard, and then it has like little soft things in it. I would recommend like just a hard brush, so you can brush your hair in the shower and stuff, and like and then when you get out of the shower, I would say don't just put your durag on like just like that. I would say wait like 20 minutes, like for it to dry, and then you like brush, put the grease on, put the Cantu on. If you haven't done it all day, because you can't keep putting it on, it's gonna give you dandruff. And then just put your durags back on, your wave cap, whatever, and then cool like that. So yeah, that's basically my tips or tutorial or whatever you want to call it about how to get waves for black boys. I don't know if I missed something, or if y'all want to know something else, put in the comments. Let me know. Subscribe my channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, famous Jit Gang, we out.